Every culture has their way of making a chicken broth. A Western style chicken broth usually has carrots, onions and celery in it, but I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese inspired broth. And I'm using chicken wings. Now chicken wings make the most gelatinous, delicious stock. They're also really inexpensive. So if you didn't want to use a whole chicken, then chicken wings are the go. Now I'm using 16 chicken wings, skin and all goes in, and where all that soft cartilage is, well, that's what's going to make it super gelatinous. Now you always start with cold water and then bring the heat up, and the reason we do that is because we want to ensure that the broth stays clear, so all the impurities will come to the surface. Now for some flavors that are distinctively Chinese, we're going to add 6 or 7 pieces of ginger, just roughly chopped into rounds, along with 6 cloves of garlic, just whole garlic cloves that have been peeled, and 3 star anise. And you could use just a brown onion, but I like to use some spring onions. And if you have any leftover dark bits, don't throw them away because this is where all the flavour is. So we'll roughly chop them, and then in they go. The heat can go on. Once I've skimmed off all the impurities and we're left with a clear broth, this is going to cook for about 2 hours. After that, you simply strain it, allow it to cool, and you can freeze it. So next time that you want to make a dumpling soup, stock is on standby.